Hi guys, for today's video, this is the look that I created, and the inspiration of this look is Taylor Swift. And if you want to know what product I used to achieve this look, just keep on watching. And there's no further ado, let's get started. Video. Hi mga queens, for today's video, it's been a long time na hindi ako nakapag-upload here on my YouTube channel. I think it's been 4 years now, but yeah, I'm starting again to upload here on my YouTube channels. And for this first ever comeback here on my YouTube channel, I will be creating or impersonating or makeup transformation ang nag-iisang Taylor Swift. So I'm so excited. Sana ma-pull off ko siya. And yeah, no further ado, let's get started. So first is I will be doing a makeup transformation of Taylor Swift using Get Ready With Me Cosmetics All About That Base Volume 2 for my base. So this is not a part of the All About That Base Volume 2, pero ito yung gustong-gusto kong ginagamit when I wear makeup. This is the SPF BFF. As you can see, use and abuse ko ito. This is a sunscreen, primer, and moisturizer in one. Actually, paubos na nga siya. So ayan, look how my skin looks like. As you can see, ang glowy, ang radiant. So let's start with color corrector. So I will be using this Get Ready With Me Fresh Matte Borean Long Concealer. This is the new release one. Meron din silang Radiance Tint, yun yung old nila. So I'm using medium warm peach for my discoloration, most especially on my under eye and on my dark spot. I'm using the triangular precision brush to blend. Sobrang lambot ng brush while blending on my under eye, and yung feels ng concealer is lightweight. Parang walang nangyari, pero look how gorgeous. This is with the product and this is without. As you can see, na-color correct na talaga yung dark circle ko. And ang ganda ng coverage as well. So, lagay ko na rin siya some of my discoloration here. Taylor Swift, parang walang sumpa. Ito. My acne like this one and this one, I will be using yung green corrector in the shade Green Beige. This is also a matte Borean. But I'm gonna use my clean finger to blend. Look at that. Look how neutralized the redness of the acne it looks like on my skin. So for my concealer shade, this is in the shade Desert. Oh. Doon lang tayo maglalagay ng same shade na concealer kung saan tayo naglagay ng color corrector. And after that, I will be using the skin tint na. So I'm using yung kanalang skin tint, yung daily skin tint. So I'm using the shade Hazel, and I'm using also to spread out in my face. This is me Get Ready With Me Gold Getter Spatula. Daily skin tint has a demi matte finish. It has a medium buildable coverage. And to blend it out, I will be using the Gold Getter Makeup Pop para seamless. Look at that. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang daling i-blend ng skin tint using this pop. Sobrang nice. So this is the side with, and this is the side without. And to highlight my highest points, I will be using Fresh Matte Concealer in the shade Macadamia. Look at how bright my under eye is. To warm up my face, I will be using the Daily Skin Tint in the shade Saddle. Ayan. Konti lang yung warmth kasi di naman masyadong ma-bronzer or contour si Taylor Swift. So hindi rin ma-blush si Taylor Swift, pero gagamit tayo ng blush. A very, very light blush lang. Tapos, so for blush, I will be using Get Ready With Me Cosmetics, yung kanilang mini blush milk tint in the shades of Play. So, konti lang naman. Para lang may flash of colors tayo. Actually, I'm focusing dito sa outer. And then, lagay na lang tayo ng konti here. Kaya sa papansin niyo, tumitingin ako dito or dito, it's because may salamin ako para makita ko kung napasobra ba or taba na yung blush ko. But this is, it looks like on my skin. Ang ganda niya as in. To set my face, I will be using Mini Loose Baking and Setting Powder Ultra Blur in the shade Nougat. Sobrang fine. And sobrang blurring netong powder na to. And this is Lux Filter on my skin. Ayan o. Kita nyo ba? Sobrang blurred. This is with and this is without. Sobrang ganda. So for my kilay, I will be using this one, Eyebrow Powder Trio from Face Card Collection ng Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. I'm using this lightest shade. First, for brow gel, gagamitin ko tong Get Ready With Me Brow Lift Pro. And ipa-finalize ko lang yung kilay ko and magbabalik ako. So for my eyes, ayan, daan na tayo sa kilay. Inaasan ko yung kilay ko here. Finish ko siya with concealer kasi sobrang taas nung kilay ni Taylor Swift, tapos mukha siyang arch, ganon. But anyway, sa eyes na tayo, I will be using bronzer for my eyes. One of the best technique na gustong-gusto kong gawin when it comes to eyes is maglagay ng bronzer sa eyes. Kasi si Taylor Swift has a hooded eyes. Gagawa tayo ng crease para sa eyes. Para magmukhang hooded yung eyes natin. Dito hindi nyo kailangan maging detailed. Ang gagawin natin, magka-cut crease tayo sa eyes using a white, ito, in the shade here, from Get Ready With Me Cosmetics, yung kanilang extension of color correctors. So, white yung gagamitin natin para ma-emphasize yung ginawa nating crease here. Kailangan malinis yung pagkakakat nyo. Para kahit na parang dumilat ka, magmukhang hooded yung eyes mo, tapos i-blend mo siya later. After that, pwede ka lang kumuha ng any white, pwede ding translucent, set mo lang siya. Pero mas maganda kung eyeshadow siya, para may pigment talaga siya na white. Pag translucent kasi, katulad niyan, wala masyadong pigment. Nasiset lang talaga siya. Tapos balik ka lang ulit sa bronzer mo, then padaanan mo siya ulit para walang harsh line. Tapos i-flick out mo siya here para magkaroon ng illusion na wing. Then kuha tayo netong mas darker ng konti. Same brush, tapos intensify natin yung bronzer para mas diffuse yung kulay niya. Ayan. See, so this is yung bronzer and then eyeshadow, and this is yung bronzer lang. As you can see, mas defined and mas magandang tignan yung may eyeshadow. This is the best I can do on my nose. Kasi ayan, as you can see, yung nose kasi ni Taylor Swift is a very unique. Kung mapapansin nyo, sobrang define yung part na to. And then after that, yung dito niya, hindi siya yung natural na contour, hindi siya yung nose na pang natural. Mataw siya in a way na, alam niyo, yung natural yung contour, ay nung nose niya, yung dito yung dominant. Tapos may ganun siyang effect here. So yan, tinapos ko lang yung aking eye look. And now let's go to the face again. And for bronzer, I will be using again, ginamit ko sa eyes ko. Get Ready With Me as well, yung kanilang powder blush in the shade Pablo's Latte. Konti lang naman. For highlighter, I will be using again this palette from Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. And then, finalize ko lang yung look and magbabalik ako. So, this is the final look. What do you think, guys? Naslay ko ba? Or nawalay? But anyway, just comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, yeah, that's it. And see you on my next one. Bye! By the way, if you have requests, just comment down below and I will do on my next video.